Hi everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to make a clay doggy. If you like the dog as much as I do, this is the video for you. Okay, let's start it. The clay which I use is Polymer Clay. I will put the link under the video for your reference. These are tools. Palette knife. I use it for cutting the clay. This is the brush. I use the handle. These are pointed tools. These are some other tools. I will let you know how to use them when I make the dog. This is clay press. Okay, that's all we need. First, we mix some colors. The color we use this time is beige, bronze, orange, golden, and white. Beige is the main color. Bronze, orange, golden, just a little. Now we use the clay press to mix them evenly. It looks like this in the middle. Press more, then we will get this. So finally, we have these different colors for different parts of the dog. Now we use the foil. This becomes filler of the dog head. Before we start to make the head, we take a look of the shape of the head. This is a big circle and a small circle. Then we connect them together. Okay, we cut some clay and put the foil in the middle and cover it. Now we make the shape like we saw in the sketch. Take your time, make little by little. Make the eyes. Now we use the handle of the brush to push the clay back a little. Use the finger, push, make the mouth. Now we make the Y shape just underneath the nose. Put some clay on just a little to make the shape looks round. Now we start to make the eyes. And first part is the white. Next we add the black part of the eye. Make sure you can still see some of the white. Little speck of the white to finish off the eyes. After we finish the eyes, dogs start to look very real and lovely. Now we start to make the nose. It's roughly shape of the hat. We put a little cut in the middle and nostril on each side. So now we have the basic shape of the head. We just did the front part. And now we start to build this part out until we get the right shape. The dog shape which you see it now. And we need to start shaping the hair as you see it on the dog. We need to add the clay to build out the ears. The tool we're using now is the wooden handle of the paintbrush. As we use it, we start to make the shape of the hair as you see on the dog. Okay, so we keep adding clay little by little until we get the shape of the head and get some basic lines of dog hair. So now we need to give the dog some eyebrows. We have a little bit clay just above the eye like you see. and then start to work into the head and give them some shape. So now we have the basic lines and shape of the dog hair. Now we need starting add some fine details, so you will really see the hair. Start to work with pointed tool, scratching the hair onto the dog, and the shape of the hair will grow. It is a lot of work, needs a lot of patience, and a lot of practice. So how is your dog going? Does he look like this? Hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Bye bye.